right. Okay, cool. How's it going, everybody? So pretty much, today is I'm not even sure what the date is, bro. Today is June the 16th. What Friday, June 16th, 2023. And practically, I'm coming to you guys in reference of the trade that I was speaking of with QQQ. So as you guys can see, this is practically the exact same position symbol that I put on recently. I think it was yesterday. As we can see, things look pretty good. To be honest, to another thing, I was more interested in actually getting in at the end of my stop loss. But with that being said, long story short, the trade actually looked like it's actually doing good. I didn't get in at all, period. What I like to do when things come to approach a entry level or a level in general, period, I like to analyze. I like to wait for the entry first. So as you guys can see, man, early morning. Let me actually zoom out real quick. Let me go to like an hourly or something first, so you guys can see the entire thing. This I actually talked about this trade yesterday too. So if you want to get a full breakdown, you know what, matter of fact, if you guys want to see that, just pretty much just go and check that out. As of now, it seems as if it may be on a form of like a retracement right now, but we will see. 9 times out of 10, bro, like I would have got in at the tip, like on this power counter right here, but I'm actually in the trade as we speak right now. The most I was up is around like $600, and now I'm down like 245 bucks now. I'm most definitely waiting for a break to the downside in this area. I may need to take profit first and wait to see if we're going to have a retest to the highs up here, and then get back in if so. But to be honest with you, like I said, this is a paper account right here. This is not real money. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm kind of taking my time with trading now. So this is not real money. I want to most definitely tell you guys that the most I was up was pretty much $600 now. If that was real money, I probably would have went on ahead and took profit. To be honest with you. But long story short, I'm looking for this to actually go down to the downside. And just thinking about it now, I didn't even buy a contract that pretty much was going um to be able to wait the full maturity of the contract will not even wait that long for it again. So I may have to buy another contract within a paper account. But so far, man, I feel as if the trade is actually doing pretty well. Like I said, this pretty much was like the highest area, and I pretty much calculated around 372. But it did go a little higher than that, was 372.61, and to be even safe, within the 373s, 374 actually like that was pretty much my stop loss, and my entry was around 369. But I just knew within this area, this was going to be a big time area to watch. And as you can see now, it may go ahead and crash out to the downside. That's what I'm pretty much hoping for. Well, that's pretty much it, man. The trade looked pretty well. What I think I did correct within this trade was that I zoomed out and I worked my way in. That was one of the biggest things. I zoomed out, I worked my way in, and I pretty much made note of key levels, key support levels, key supply levels. I'm sorry, key support, key resistance, and supply and demand. So that's pretty much what I kind of made note of. Like as of now, we need to have a break right here to the downside. This is like we need a break on within 369.32 in this area, 369.39. But that's pretty much what I did. And I made sure that I tracked the channels, the very important channels on a higher time frame. And what I did, I went in, I started the chart down from the daily to the hour, 30-minute, 15-minute. And I just looked at the most important key levels. That's all I did. And I feel as if when you do this, you can catch scalps, don't get me wrong, but I think you're setting yourself up for bigger trades. And I think this honestly was like a pretty big trade right here. This went from 372 all the way to 369-ish in this area, 369.32. And to be honest with you, I think there's most definitely a lot room more on this trade. But for this trade here to um fully develop or whatever it is, it's going to take more than one day, I would say. But we will see, man. And then another thing too, one of the most important things that I always preached on, even though you may call out an excellent trade, but you have to allow the trade to establish. You have to allow the trade to set up before taking a trade. Just because price hits your level does not mean you should jump in the trade immediately. No, wait for the trade to develop. See it's going to be some changes. You know, a lot of times, man, things is not going to happen exactly how you want it to happen. So allow the trade to develop. Study, set your levels, let your levels to become hit, and then wait for the trade to develop. You know, you can do everything right, but if you get in at the wrong time, it can most definitely scare you out of the trade if you're not used to seeing yourself being down. To be honest with you, so that's practically it, man. Hope you guys caught this trade. I hope you guys learned something from what I've learned. Another thing too is be patient. You can scalp all day, but if you want like them big trades, you know, just be patient for those certain levels to be hit. That's honestly the entire game. Just wait for key levels to be hit. Very important levels. You know, I used to always wonder when people say, "Well, look, man, but I didn't see any trades in the market, so I just closed my computer and just went to the gym." For a person to say that, they're pretty much saying to decode that there are no major key levels being retested. Like, for example, and just to give you guys a visual, what I'm saying, situation like this, just let's go to the daily. You want to find those key levels, go to the daily. You find these key levels. For example, I knew this was a key level. Look, this was a key level right here. You see this, those yellow lines? You see this right here? Those are key levels. Key levels right here. All right. So that's what you want to look for. Well, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. As you can see, this is like the second highest area seems to be. Actually, it's the third. You have this level here, you have another level, and then you have the ultimate level, which is this level up here. So just wait for these key levels to actually to be established, to be manifest. And once those levels are actually hit, what you want to do, you want to wait. Let me take this off. Let me take these rips this off real quick. You want to wait for the trade to set up. That's what you want to do. You want to wait for the trade to set up. That's all you want to do. You just want to wait. Wait, chart down, start on a daily, work your way down. But on the major levels, you want to mark those levels. Those are going to be your actual big trades that you're going to be able to make a lot more money. And if you want to scalp, cool, but you most definitely will do that on a lower time frame. That's it, man. Hope y'all continue to be blessed. If you any knowledge you guys can give me, I'm going to also start some of the notes that I have. I'm going to start screenshot them and actually up. I'm gonna start teaching you guys while I'm teaching myself. Pretty much, I'm going to open up my whole study to you guys. So if you most definitely want to see that, man, go to Hello US Trading. The YouTube link is within my video, and just I'll see you guys there. I'm a new trainer, man. I'm not trainer. I'm new to this. I'm still learning. I've been trading for like a year and a couple months, but I feel as if now I'm starting to develop a form of discipline to be able to see profits on paper trading. Like I told you guys, I'm paper trading right now, and I'm moving forward, man. It's something I'm not pretty much going to give up at all. Period. No matter how much money I lose, this is something I'm most definitely not even just interested, but kind of start to develop a passion about because I want to be able to teach my daughter this stuff. So you guys be blessed, man. See you guys on the next one. Take care.